Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered how rockets fly up into the sky and even into space? In this video, we'll explore the science behind rocket flight, using simple concepts like Newton's third law, thrust, gravity, and drag. Let's begin. Rockets work based on a very important science rule called Newton's third law of motion. It says, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When a rocket engine fires, it pushes hot gases downward at high speed. That's the action. The reaction? The rocket is pushed upward, in the opposite direction. This force that pushes the rocket upward is called thrust. Thrust is created by burning fuel in the rocket's engine. The more fuel burned, and the faster the gases go out, the more thrust the rocket gets. This is what makes the rocket rise from the ground and move upward. But there's a challenge. The Earth has gravity, a powerful force that pulls everything down. To fly, the rocket's thrust must be stronger than Earth's gravity. If the thrust is weaker, the rocket won't lift off. That's why rocket engines are so powerful, they have to fight against gravity. Another challenge is drag. Drag is the air pushing back against the rocket as it moves. Just like how wind pushes against you when you run fast, air pushes against rockets too. Rocket designers make the shape smooth and pointed to reduce drag and let it move through the air more easily. For a rocket to fly well, all forces must be balanced. The thrust must be stronger than gravity. The rocket must be shaped to reduce drag. And it must be guided carefully to go in the right direction. I'm building rockets from Mark 1 to far more advanced designs. This is just the beginning. This basic video helps you understand the foundation for what's coming next. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning how rockets fly, be sure to like and share. And never stop asking questions. Science is your key to the universe.